Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a company called Spocket. Now, I know you might be wondering, what does Spocket sell? Well, that's a great question, and I'm going to answer it for you in a way that will hopefully pique your interest. Before we dive into the specifics, let me tell you a little bit about why I'm so excited to talk about Spocket. I've been using their platform for a while now, and I've been really impressed with what they have to offer. They're a dropshipping company, which means they connect you with suppliers so you can sell their products without having to carry any inventory yourself. This is a great way to start an online business or to expand your existing one. So what does Spocket sell? Well, they sell a wide variety of products, including clothing, accessories, home goods, and more. They also offer a number of unique features that make them stand out from the competition. One of the things that I love most about Spocket is their selection of high-quality products. They work with trusted suppliers to ensure that you're getting the best possible products for your customers. Another thing that I appreciate about Spocket is their commitment to fast shipping. They offer a variety of shipping options, so you can choose the one that's best for your customers. Finally, I think Spocket is a great resource for anyone who wants to start or grow an online business. They offer a variety of tools and resources to help you succeed. So, if you're looking for a way to start or grow your online business, I highly recommend checking out Spocket. They're a great company with a lot to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.